Hi lovely people, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I wanted to give you a review on Warehouse's Active Intent Play 4-in-1 swing set. The reason why we chose this is because it was the most reasonably priced and seemed to be quite popular, and we wanted something for our 2-year-old and soon to be 1-year-old to play with. So it did not need to be too sturdy. It is meant to be for ages 3 to 12 years old, though the maximum weight it says on the swing is 50 kgs for the swing, 35 each for seesaw, not to exceed a combined weight of 170 kgs. The dimensions of this is 195 centimeters in height and 315 centimeters in length. This does come in a flat pack, so 2 boxes to be specific, and it requires assembling. On the instructions it said 4 hours of assembling by 2 people, but it took us only about 2.5 hours of 2 people assembling. We did this over 2 days, so we did it over one evening, and in the morning we finished it off. However, we did find the screws and bolts are not the best quality and they did not fit properly, so we needed to use the electric drill to tighten these so that we felt like the set was safe to use. Overall, I think it's good for its money's worth. Not the highest quality, but I think it does the job for young kids. I'm not sure that it will withstand older kids, to be honest. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and this review was helpful. If you like this video, please give it a like and please subscribe to my channel because I do upload new videos every single week. Thank you for watching. Bye.
You ready to go really high? That's a new way of playing with it.